Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Let's straight away go across to Kolkata. The latest updates setting from Kolkata amid intense protest in Kolkata. The highly anticipated football match between two of the fiercest Kolkata rivals, Mohun Bagan and East Bengal, that was supposed to happen today, has been called off, and these are the live visuals that we are bringing for you. These are fans of both Mohun Bagan as well as East Bengal who are out on the streets protesting. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who's been getting us these live updates. Sabyasachi, over to you. Tell us what's happening.
Well, absolutely. So, to show you the visuals out here, you can see large amount of fans of both East Bengal and Mohun Bagan are here. Now they are protesting against the match, the derby of the West Bengal, the important derby of East Bengal, Mohun Bagan, which has been called in by the administration. Now, these fans are quite angry, are quite upset, stating that it is a failure of the state government that the match have been called off. On the other side, you can see the massive deployment of Kolkata police. In fact, the rapid action forces is also on ground. Now, these fans have been demanding justice for the Arjikor victim. Now, based on this particular intelligence itself, because be it the BJP or some leaders of the Trinamool Congress have been alleging that there were reports that these fans could create a disruption in the law and order situation, and that is the reason, based on intelligence, the match has been called off. We'll speak to some of the fans out here, get to know what their reaction. Ma'am, कि जो फैंस है मोहन बागान और ईस्ट बंगाल के काफी अपसेट है क्योंकि मैच कॉल्ड ऑफ हो गया है, काफी अपसेट है, मैच कॉल्ड ऑफ हो गया है, क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, कहना है ये क्या, ये इतना पुलिस देख रहे हैं अभी लोग, अब लोग इतना पुलिस है, बट खेलने का टाइम पुलिस बोल रहा है पुलिस फोर्स नहीं है, पुलिस फोर्स नहीं दे सकते उन लोग, तो क्यों नहीं दे सकते? अभी कितना पुलिस कहाँ से आ गया इतना पुलिस, जब खेलने का टाइम पुलिस नहीं है? इतना साल में कभी भी नहीं हुआ ऐसा, क्या पुलिस मतलब खेला नहीं हुआ? आप लोग तो स्टेडियम खाली करके भी खेल सकते हैं, क्यों खेला क्यों नहीं किया? यहाँ से आप लोग डुरांड कप शिफ्ट कर दिया जमशेदपुर में, क्यों किया आप लोग जमशेदपुर में? एक मैच में सब कुछ हो जाता, आदमी लोगों का गला दबा दे सकते हैं, आप लोग कभी भी नहीं दबा सकते।
कहीं ना कहीं पुलिस कह रही है कि जो फैंस यहाँ आ रहे हैं, फैंस की शक्ल में कोई एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स आएंगे, डिस्ट्रप्शन क्रिएट
हो सकता है, उन लोगों के पास था, जस्ट उन लोगों के पास था, बट हम लोग तो हो सकता है, बट उन लोग तो आप लोगों का क्या खेलने का टाइम क्या होता है, चेक करते हैं ना हम लोग तो पूरा चेक करते हैं।
इतना पुलिस फोर्स है, लेकिन कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस विनीत गोयल ने डुरांड कमेटी को बताया कि हमारे पास पुलिस फोर्स नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोग डर्बी नहीं करवा सकते। तो अभी यहाँ पे इतना पुलिस फोर्स कहाँ से चला आया? यहाँ पे तो फैंस लोग सिर्फ स्टेडियम में यही प्रोटेस्ट करने वाले थे दैट वी वांट जस्टिस फॉर द गर्ल हु वाज विक्टिम इन द आरजीकर केस। इसके लिए वो लोग इतना डर गए कि वो लोग मैच बंद करवा दिया कि वो फैंस लोग वो जस्टिस का आवाज उठाएंगे, इसलिए वो मैच बंद करवा दिया। इसलिए तो आज ये प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है, और यहाँ पर
प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे हम लोग सिर्फ प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए आए हैं।
आप क्या कहेंगे दादा? क्या कहेंगे आप?
क्या करेंगे? पुलिस, ये लोग पुलिस बोल रहा है प्रोटेक्शन नहीं दे सकते थे। अब ये कहाँ से आया प्रोटेक्शन? अब ये जो डाबी था, हम लोगों का जो डाबी है, एक लड़की जो बहन जो मर गया, जिसके लिए जो पुलिस कुछ नहीं कर सकता, क्या करते हैं? ये हमको चाहिए, जो विनीत गोयल जो है उसको पूछना चाहिए कि क्या कर रहा था वो इतना दिन से।
विनीत गोयल इज द मोस्ट शेमलेस पुलिस कमिश्नर इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ कोलकाता।
सीबीआई को बोल रहा है मेरे को विनीत गोयल को भी पकड़ना चाहिए, उसको वो भी
A lot of the fans seems quite upset that the match has been called off. In fact, they have been demanding that the match shouldn't have been cancelled, and they say that if there is so much adequate number of police personnel who are present on ground to make sure there is no protest, there is no disruption in the law and order situation here, then why wasn't the match allowed? So this is a question which the fans have been asking. Meanwhile, on one hand, the police is also interacting with the fans out here. The fans are quite agitated. Now the police is asking them to peacefully leave this area, not cause any law and order situation disturbance, because a lot of the areas in Kolkata is on high alert. So you can see on your screen that top officials of Kolkata police is interacting with the fans out here, asking them to clear the road as soon as possible. We have seen that massive deployment of Kolkata police along with the rapid action force are also on ground to make sure that the law and order situation is maintained. Back to you.
Right, Sabyasachi still on with us. Faced with criticism. Clearly, the police and then TMC leaders are also trying to suggest that the match was cancelled after there were some intelligence inputs that there could be violence at the venue. Meanwhile, we have more reactions coming in. BJP specifically has also reacted on this particular issue, the way match was cancelled. According to the BJP, the Mamata government feared protest at the stadium, demanding justice for the trainee doctor. Listen into this reaction.
Yet another evidence of Mamata Banerjee's government's complete incompetence and law and order failure has come to the fore when the West Bengal police has cancelled the permission granted for 18th August match in Kolkata, which was one of the most awaited matches between East Bengal and Mohun Bagan, citing that there are security reasons and they cannot provide security cover. If you can't protect a stadium, how will you protect the entire state with crores of people? This means you have admitted you're incompetent. But is that the real reason? Some people suggest that in this match, people would have come with protest flags, with protest placards exposing Mamata Banerjee in this entire RG Kar medical gang rape and murder case. And therefore, the dictatorial Mamata Banerjee has issued a fatwa and got this match cancelled.
Let's go back to Sabyasachi, who continues to bring to our viewers live visuals of what's happening on the ground.
Well, absolutely. See, on your screen, you can see that the West Bengal police top official is now interacting with the fans, asking them to leave the area peacefully, not cause any disturbance in the law and order situation. See, this is several of the attempts which is being made by the Kolkata police to make sure that the law and order situation does not get disturbed. Similar situation like what we witnessed at RG Kar, the midnight vandalism, similar situation does not arise. I'll request my video journalist just to pan around and show you the other visuals. You can see the large amount of fans of both Mohun Bagan and RG Kar are now, Mohun Bagan and East Bengal are now on the are now on the road demanding justice for the victim of RG Kar. On one hand, they are also agitated with the match being called off. Now, this particular allegation has been coming in from the fans as well, but also whether it is from the government side. They have said that they had inputs that there were some anti-social elements that would have caused disturbance in a similar situation like RG Kar could have been witnessed, and that is the reason why the match has been called. We'll get some reaction. मैडम आपसे पूछूंगा कि मैच कॉल्ड ऑफ हो गया है, फैंस काफी नाराज हैं, लेकिन क्या रिएक्शन है अभी फैंस का? अभी एक तरफ आप